Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today we will discuss about the 7 tips on how to manage your finances. As a medium of exchange, money is deeply rooted in our culture. We rely on money to access practically everything, including food, clothing, housing, and a wide range of other necessities for survival. Without money, it's easy to reach a dead end. We all naturally worry about money because it has so many effects in our lives. However, there are a few modifications that may be made that can result in financial security and prevent these worrying sentiments. Since managing money is not the easiest thing to accomplish, discipline and attention are crucial when it comes to financial problems. Many people have been caught in money traps in this sense, and they frequently lead to unhealthy level of stress. The good news is that we can take steps to assist ourselves. Number 1. Be gentle with yourself. We frequently believe that we are the root of our issues and become focused on what we did incorrectly. This makes us forget about things we can do to fix our financial problems. You can struggle with spending issues that may spiral out of hand and put you in a difficult financial situation. Unexpected events can also happen, such as increasing medical expenses, major car damage that needs to be repaired, or the sudden loss of a job and other source of income. If not handled properly, this could make you anxious. You need to evaluate your position and concentrate on what you can do to overcome it rather than fretting about the things that are beyond your control. In a sober state of mind, think about what led you to this circumstance and what you might be able to alter to move toward recovery. Avoid placing blame on yourself because doing so will simply make your financial situation worse. You must be sure and determined that if you make the required adjustments, things will get better. You'll have the assurance you need to advance as a result of this. Number 2, identify a source of assistance. For whatever reason, you don't have a source of money. You must determine what you can do to resolve this. You can submit applications for jobs in your field of study or expertise. Utilize your networks and contacts to distribute as many applications as you can. Increasing your knowledge and completing classes that will help you develop your talents can be an added benefit. Some people might prefer to own their own businesses over finding work. You can evaluate yourself and discover what you enjoy doing and what your passions are to come up with a company idea. You might also consider finding a business model for interest. You don't need to invest much upfront, and if you grow your company gradually and carefully, you can eventually expect a payoff. You learn more and engage with more people as you run your firm, which will eventually lead to additional opportunities for you. Small businesses that provide services like deliveries, house or car cleaning, and selling snacks or meals could also be wonderful places to start. You will initially have little choice but to get your hands dirty because starting something demands all of your attention. Number 3, create a financial strategy. If you don't have a plan when money gets into your hands, you can end up spending it in the wrong places. You will struggle to allocate your resources effectively without a solid budget and clearly stated financial goals. Keep a record of your income and going expenses. What do you spend your money on, and are those purchases actually worthwhile? As a result, you must make a list of your expenses and cut out any excessive or pointless spending that will prevent you from attaining your objectives. The main goal is to be financially solid, so choose your goals carefully. Savings and placing some of your money in an interest-bearing fund should both be part of your plan. If you have a tendency to spend money recklessly, keeping your budget and developing discipline will enable you to escape to a stressful financial scenario. Set up a method where you periodically assess your financial objectives to determine their effectiveness and occasionally eliminate unnecessary spending. Always keep in mind that spending more than you will earn will lead to financial difficulties. Living within your means will boost your confidence because you'll feel more in control on the road to recovery and less stressed out. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart, and while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's continue. Number 4, think about whether you really need a credit card. Credit cards have pros and cons, as I always remark. Everything relies on how much you employ them. With a credit card, you can earn points that can be redeemed for money at the specific retailers and outlets, among other benefits. you'll be able to purchase more with the funds acquired. The card's ability to let you buy now and pay later based on your credit terms is yet another benefit. This is advantageous since you can still buy something without any money. However, certain credit cards have high interest rates, particularly if you miss a payment. With time, this could add up to significant sums of money, placing you in a risky financial status that can be very unsettling. You should consider whether a credit card is actually necessary and whether the inconvenience is worth it if you are certain that you cannot control your spending with one. If your finances are still in recovery, you might want to think twice about buying one, and you might decide to wait until you're confident in your ability to handle it. A credit card can be very tempting and useful, but you must make sure that getting one won't put you in a financial trouble. Number 5. Spend less money. You should save aside money for emergencies and other contingencies rather than spending all of your income. There are numerous money funds and investment banks that provide competitive interest rates, making them profitable investment options. You're guaranteed both the protection and growth of your company as long as you choose reliable and trustworthy partners to invest with. Compounding over time will allow you to significantly raise your money over time, especially if you make long-term investments. This gives you stability and prevents financial worries. Continue to increase your savings or investments to earn more to get the most out of this. You can accomplish this by working multiple jobs, running multiple businesses, or any other available means. For saving to be meaningful and useful to you, it needs to be a component of the financial goals you are pursuing. Saving also demands discipline and focus. Avoid shady individuals who could easily sink your hard-earned money by saving sensibly. Use your networks and your research to find the greatest solutions that will provide the best outcomes. Number 6. Plan your retirement. Who wouldn't want to retire with no financial worries? Everyone, I suppose, probably wishes to spend their golden years stress-free and in peace. Because of their age and other relevant issues, the majority of people are not in the position to work for pay at this point in their lives. Beginning with your first paycheck, you can start to prepare for retirement. It's actually safer to do this than assume you can wait since you have so much time. Elderly financial stress may be extremely damaging and must be avoided at all costs. Additionally, you'll be in a position to assist others who might not have made the best retirement preparations. Number 7. Find an advisor. If one can't handle circumstances, financial stress can have a significant impact and make someone inflexible, stagnant, or confused. Feel free to ask a mentor or health professional for assistance if you find yourself under financial stress. They have a lot of experience, so they can assist you in moving forward. Planning ahead and establishing goals that take into account your financial situation will help to keep you safe. It's vital to remember that everyone occasionally worries about their finances in some way. What do you think about this tutorial? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of our videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!